Hello everyone. Are you wondering what panromantic means? Let's explore. Panromantic describes someone who experiences romantic attraction to people regardless of their gender. This orientation emphasizes the emotional and romantic connection rather than being influenced by gender. Panromantic individuals are open to forming romantic relationships with anyone, appreciating people for who they are as individuals rather than focusing on gender identity. This term is similar to pansexuality but focuses specifically on romantic rather than sexual attraction. In essence, panromanticism is about the ability to love and form deep emotional bonds with people across the entire gender spectrum, where gender is not a defining factor in romantic attraction. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.